Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to calculate the area of figure having irregular shapes. In previous lecture, we have studied the area of rectangle, triangle, etc. Today we are going to see how to calculate the area of irregular shapes figure. Generally, the plots, fields, etc. are the shapes of irregular polygon. These polygons can be divided into triangles and specific quadrilaterals. Study the following examples to know how the polygons are divided and their areas are calculated. The first example, adjacent figure is a polygon ABCDE. All given measures are in meters. Find the area of the given figure. Answer. Here triangle AQB, triangle ERD are right angle triangle, and rectangle AQRE is a trapezium. Base and height of triangle BCD is given. Now let us find the area of each figure. Area of triangle AQB is equal to 1 upon 2 into length BQ into length AQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into 10 into 13 is equal to 65 square meter. Area of triangle ERD is equal to 1 upon 2 into length RD into length ER is equal to 1 upon 2 into 16 into 17 is equal to 136 square meter. Area of triangle area of rectangle AQRE is equal to 1 upon 2 into length AQ plus length ER into length QR is equal to 1 upon 2 into 13 plus 17 into 12 plus 15 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 30 into 27 is equal to 15 into 27 is equal to 405 square meter. Length BD is equal to length BP plus length PD is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 16 is equal to 53 meter. Area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 upon 2 into length BD into length PC is equal to 1 upon 2 into 53 into 10 is equal to 265 square meter. Therefore, area of polygon ABCDE is equal to area of triangle AQB plus area of rectangle AQRE plus area of triangle ERD plus area of triangle BCD is equal to 65 plus 405 plus 136 plus 265 is equal to 871 square meter. The practice set 15.5 is based on this topic. You have to solve this practice set 15.5 in your notebook. Now let us see how to calculate the area of circle. Area of circle. Here one activity is given to you. Activity: draw a circle on a card sheet. Cut the circle from the sheet. Divide the circular paper into 16 or 32 equal parts by paper folding, or makes 18 or 20 equal parts by dividing 360 in equal parts. Then get the sector by cutting them along the radii. Join all these sectors as shown in the figure. We get nearly a rectangle. As we go on increasing the number of parts of the circle, the shapes of the figure is more or more like that of a rectangle. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Length of the rectangle is pi r, that is semi-circumference, and breadth is r. Therefore, area of circle is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to pi r into r. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. The solved examples are: example number 1, if the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter, then find its area. Solution: area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 into 21 square. 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 is equal to 66 into 21 is equal to 1386 square centimeter. Next, Area of a circular ground is 3850 square meter. Find the radius of the circular ground. Solution: area of circular ground is equal to pi r square. 3850 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. R square is equal to 3850 into 7 upon 22. That is r square is equal to 1225. That is r is equal to 35 meter. Therefore, radius of the ground is 35 meter. The practice set 15.6 is based on the area of circle. You have to solve this practice set. Now, to find the approximate area of irregular figures. Till today, we have studied how to calculate the area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of circle, and etc. by using some formula. But now, if the figure is irregular figure, there is no formula for the figure, then how to calculate the area of this type of figure? This topic we have to study. For this purpose, we required one graph paper. One example is given here. C is to find the approximate area of irregular figure. Area of the irregular closed figure can be calculated approximately by using graph paper. Draw an outline of the given piece of object on the graph paper with pencil. Let us learn from the activity how the area of the given figure is calculated by counting the numbers of squares on the graph paper. 1. The number of complete squares of area 1 square centimeter is equal to 13. Therefore, area of those square is 13 square centimeter. Second, in the figure, the number of parts having more than 1 upon 2 square centimeter but less than 1 square centimeter is equal to 11. Therefore, area of this part is equal to 11 square centimeter. Third, from the figure, number of parts having 1 upon 2 square centimeter is equal to 0. Therefore, area of this part is equal to 0 square centimeter. From the figure, count the part having the area less than 1 upon 2 square centimeter. Such a part are not to be considered. Therefore, area of this part is equal to 0 square centimeter. Therefore, total area of the figure is equal to 13 plus 11 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 24 square centimeter. That means the area of the given figure is 24 square centimeter. In this way, we can easily calculate the area of irregular shapes figure. Now, one activity is given here. Draw a circle of radius 28 millimeter. Draw any one triangle and draw a trapezium on the graph paper. Find the area of this figure by counting the numbers of small squares on the graph paper. Verify your answer using formula for area of this figure. Observe that the smaller the squares of graph paper, better is the approximation of the area. For more information, remember one thing, that is, our nation has adopted the decimal system for the measurement. So, in the revenues department, area of land are recorded in decimal units, acres and hectares. 100 square meter is equal to 1 r. 100 r is equal to 1 hectares is equal to 10,000 square meter. In practice, often area of a land is measured in gunta or acres. 1 gunta of land is approximately 1 r, which is nearly 100 square meter. 1 acre area is nearly 0.4 hectares. Remember these things for our daily life. In this way, this lesson is over. Next topic we will see on the next day. Okay, today we stop here. Thank you.